Hello, today I want to talk to you about this set of 36 miniature claw clips. But first I want to send a big thank you to the brand who sent this to me in exchange for my thoughts on these clips. So first, I just want to talk about this case that it came in. I think that honestly this is pretty impressive, and I love any way that I can keep something organized. And instead of using just like a plastic baggie that will get wrinkly and old after a while, I have this hard plastic case that I can keep them all in. So I'm going to open it up and show them to you now. Here they are. I chose the collection, I believe it's called Autumn Whisper. I thought these were great, whether for me, if I'm wanting to wear them in my hair, or all the way down to my youngest girls. I actually have 3 girls. We can all wear these. And honestly, these match year round. It doesn't they're not super dark colors that you would tend to want to wear in the fall and winter, and they're not necessarily super bright, vibrant colors that you would want to wear in like the spring and summer. They are just good neutral colors, in my opinion, that can be worn all year long. So now I'm going to show you I'm just going to clip some in my hair and just show them, and also do some close-ups of them, just so you can just get a better visual of them. Here is each color up close. You have this like olivey green color, this creamy white color, this pinkish color, like very pale pink, and then a beigey tan color. They just simply open up just like your basic claw clips would. I will say these do feel pretty sturdy. My 4-year-old got a set of mini clips like this for Christmas last year, and they are like a lot of butterflies, hearts, and stuff like that. And while they're super cute, they don't feel like just solid, like they're gonna stay together well. And these definitely feel solid. So if you're looking for some good solid mini clips, these are really good. All right. Okay, now I'm just going to clip a few in my hair just so you can see them. When I'm using claw clips, you know, they have like this little, not really a screw, but a nail of some sort down the middle. I usually like to make sure that the head of the nail is facing up. It's just something I've always done. I don't know if I'd necessarily call it a hack or anything, but it's just something I've done, because sometimes it can work its way out, and I just don't want it to fall out. So what do we think? I think I like them. I honestly do. I knew I would. These are just great to have in any girl, preteen, teenage. I would honestly even wear these if I were to put my hair, you know, just pull it back a little bit. I would definitely put these in. So I was like a teenager in the early 2000s. We did the little poof. I've heard it's coming back in style. Not gonna lie, I loved it. I might make it come back. Whether it's really coming back or not. Just kidding, hold on. That's not a good one. Let me do a smaller. But I used to do this with bobby pins or these little claw clips. I just really liked the look. See, it still looks good, doesn't it, y'all? Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Get you some of these. You won't regret it.